Living in a college dorm without a kitchen doesn't mean you have to survive on instant noodles every night. Today we're sharing 12 easy, budget-friendly microwave recipes that you can make right in your dorm room. No stove, no oven, just one trusty microwave. From quick breakfast to satisfying meals and late-night snacks, we've got you covered. Let's kick things off with some easy dorm room breakfasts. First up, a microwave mug omelet. Crack 2 eggs into a mug, add a splash of milk, a pinch of salt and pepper, and toss in some chopped veggies if you have them, like spinach, onions, or peppers. Stir it all together and microwave for 1 minute. Give it a quick stir, then cook for another 30 seconds until the eggs are fluffy and cooked through. Next, we've got French toast in a mug. Tear up 1 or 2 slices of bread and drop the pieces into a mug. In a small bowl, mix 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, and a dash of cinnamon. Pour the mixture over the bread, press down so it soaks in, and microwave for 90 seconds. Top with syrup and you're good to go. If you're craving something sweet in the morning, try a cinnamon roll mug cake. In a mug, combine 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir well and microwave for 1 minute. For a quick icing, mix some powdered sugar with a tiny splash of milk and drizzle it on top. Running late? Make a scrambled egg and cheese wrap. Beat 2 eggs in a mug and microwave for 1.5 minutes. Scoop the fluffy eggs into a tortilla, sprinkle with shredded cheese, roll it up, and you're out the door. Now let's move on to some quick microwave meals that are perfect for lunch or dinner. Start with dorm-style mac and cheese. In a large mug, combine half a cup of elbow macaroni and half a cup of water. Microwave for 4 minutes, stirring halfway. Once the pasta is tender, stir in a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese and 2 tablespoons of milk. Microwave for 30 more seconds until creamy. Next is a loaded baked potato. Use a fork to poke a few holes in a medium potato and microwave it for 5 to 7 minutes, flipping halfway through. Once soft, cut it open and top with cheese, sour cream, or whatever you've got in your mini fridge. Want something cheesy and fast? Try a microwave quesadilla. Place a tortilla on a plate, sprinkle cheese on 1/2, fold it over, and microwave for 45 seconds. Add beans or salsa if you've got them. Or make a cheesy broccoli rice bowl. Mix 1 cup of cooked rice with half a cup of frozen broccoli and 2 tablespoons of water. Microwave for 2 minutes, then stir in a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese and microwave for another 30 seconds until hot and melty. Now for the best part, dorm-friendly desserts and snacks. Start with a chocolate chip mug cookie. In a mug, combine 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 2 teaspoons of milk. Stir in some chocolate chips and microwave for 45 to 60 seconds. If you're more into brownies, try this single-serve version. Mix 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 tablespoon of oil in a mug. Microwave for 1 minute and dig in while it's warm. Need a late-night snack? Layer tortilla chips on a plate, sprinkle with shredded cheese, and microwave for 45 seconds. Add sour cream or salsa on top once it's done. And for a sweet microwave popcorn snack, start with a bag of plain popcorn. Once it's popped, drizzle with melted peanut butter and honey, then toss with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. It's sweet, salty, and seriously addictive. 12 recipes, 1 microwave, 0 excuses to eat boring food in the dorm. Give a few of these a try and share your favorites in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy college-friendly recipe ideas.